Hello friends, this is Chinmay Das from Ethereal Elixir, and in this episode we are going to try a very authentic, very traditional recipe from Odisha. The name of the dish is dalma. So as the name suggests, it has dal. So we'll add three different kind of dal. We'll add tur dal, we'll add moong dal, and we'll use chana dal. With that, we'll add in around 13 to 15 different kind of vegetables and let it cook in slow, like moderate flame, and then finally we temper it with clarified butter or ghee. It'll taste amazing, and it tastes very good with rice, it tastes very good with roti or fulka. So let's check the ingredients here. We need three different kind of dal or lentils. I'm using split chana dal, tur dal and moong dal, half cup each. Assorted vegetables, half cup from each kind of vegetables. Green raw papaya, tomatoes, potatoes, cauliflower, parval, tindora, long velour beans, carrots, eggplants, green beans or French beans. You can also use plantains or raw banana, drumstick, green pumpkins, arbi or taro, yam, and the list goes on and on. Chana dal takes more time to cook, so I cook the chana dal in a pressure cooker with half teaspoon of salt and 1 liter of water. I give 3 whistles, keeping the flame at high, and set it aside. In another stew pot here, I took around 2 liter of hot water and added the tur dal. I also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first vegetable I'm going to add is the green papaya, because green papaya takes more time to cook. So cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes at medium flame, and the tur dal will be 30% cooked. So that's when I'm going to add tomatoes and potatoes. So after adding the tomatoes and potato, I stir it and keep it covered and cook it for additional 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, now you can see the tomatoes are really soft and tur dal is 60% cooked. And that's when I'm going to add the rest of our vegetables except the eggplant, because eggplant cooks really fast. So all vegetables in, and I'm also going to add the split moong dal here. So this is my moong dal goes in, and I'm also going to add half liter of water. So I stir it and keep the lid on, keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. I add a little bit more salt to it. We'll cook this for around 20 minutes at medium flame. Keep stirring in between. So while this is cooking, let me tell you the interesting story about the origin of dalma. This recipe dates back to Mahabharata, which is 3000 BC old. When Pandavas completed their 12 years of exile, the last year, which is the 13th year, they needed to be in Agyantwas, or known as incognito period. If they are discovered with their real identities during this period, then they would have to serve another 12 years of exile in the forest. During this period, Bhima, the second Pandava brother, was a sous chef at royal kitchen of King Virat. Bhima came up with this delicious and very healthy dish called dalma. And over the year, dalma has evolved and many new vegetables were added to it. Coming back to our dalma here, after 20 minutes, all vegetables are cooked well, nearly 95% cooked. Now I add the eggplant and the cooked chana dal. So stir it and let it cover and let it cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, eggplants are really cooked well and blend in very good. So if you look at it now, vegetables, lentils all blend in very good. And now I add 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and switch off the flame. So our dalma is ready. Now next step is I'm going to temper it. Here is my tempering pan or the tadka pan. I add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. To this I'll add 2 teaspoons of panch phoron, So panchforan consists of fenugreek seeds, nigella seeds, cumin seeds, black mustard seeds and fennel seeds in equal portion. I also add 2 slit green chili, let it temper a bit and then I add it to our cooked dalma. Stir it and then it's done. It's ready to be plated. It's really very aromatic, very subtle. And finally to this I added 2 tablespoons of roasted cumin and chili powder. Now I plate it, garnish it with some coriander leaves, and this really goes good with some white rice and papad. If you can add pickle to it, it's really exceptional. So it's very aromatic, very flavorful. Time to taste. Friends, my dalma is ready. Here I have a bowl of rice and I do have papad. So it's a good combination like rice, dalma and papad. I do have some green chili here which I'll eat as is with the dalma. So let's taste it, how it turns out. No onion and garlic, no more spices except roasted cumin and chili powder. So it's really very healthy. You must try it and do let me know how it turns out. As I told you, it has nearly 14 to 15 different kind of vegetables, 3 different dal. So let's taste it, how it turn out. This turns out really amazing. You you sometimes you may not have all the 14 or 15 vegetables, but there are few vegetables which must go in it, like the green papaya, then the eggplant or brinjal. If you're able to get raw green banana, potatoes, and must add the coconut, because if you do not add the coconut, grated coconut or coconut flakes like this, I added grated coconut as well as coconut flakes around 2 tablespoons each. You are definitely missing something. When you add the coconut, you feel like the food came from a temple. It's like the prasad you get in a temple. And like in many of the temples in Odisha, you will find this food. You'll definitely find. So almost all temple has their own restaurant on the side. Each bite give you a different vegetable. So it's really amazing. You must try it. And friends, please try this recipe. The entire recipe is in the description below. So please do try and do let me know how it turns out. And do not forget to subscribe, share and like.